Hello, myself Deepak Shirbhate. I'm working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic, Darapur, Taluka Daryapur, District Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. And today I'm going to demonstrate you VRML string sensor using Vivati Studio. So the original code was actually generated with XSLT processor from Saxonica. So you have to make some changes when you are creating or regenerating the similar type of code, or you are trying to regenerate similar type of code with the help of Vivati Studio. So this is the information. The original code was created by Leonardo Dali and Don Brutzmann. Now what string sensor do? Whenever you type some keys, if you type some letters, then those letters will be given to the JavaScript, and from JavaScript it will be converted into VRML environment, and it will be displayed in the VRML environment. That is the purpose of string sensor. So in short, we can say that string sensor allows you to type directly into VRML environment. So what is important? Some changes needs to be made in the code when recreating in Vivati Studio. That is very important, and these changes needs to be made manually in the Notepad, because Notepad is a text editor, and we are often using Notepad as a text editor. So these changes needs to be made in the Notepad. You have to open the code in the Notepad and you have to make the changes. So node graph will be like this. Then there will be navigation info, background, and viewpoint. So in this particular step, we will be creating background, viewpoint, and navigation info. So first of all, we will create the navigation info. Click on navigation info and bring all the coordinates to 0, 0, 0. That is very important. Then you can create background. I will be using white type of background. Initially that is a, because by default the background is black, so choose white background. These will be the parameters. Then viewpoint. Viewpoint allows user to actually align himself to the view when you open the file from initially. So you do not have to adjust the view. Initially you will see the view which you have created with the help of viewpoint. So these will be the x, y, and z coordinates. So here actually we have created all these three things. Then there will be string sensor. Now in the string sensor you have to enable the string sensor and deletion allowed. It means that you can, with the help of backspace key, you can delete the text, and these will be the coordinates. Then we will be creating one board on which actually we will be writing the text. It will be a background actually. Then there will be text node, and whatever the text node you create, it will take the font of the text node. Here it is serif, then size is 0.75, vertical justification middle spacing 1, like this. Then we will be creating script. Now in the script there will be two fields. First field is sf string underscore mf string. Second field will be mf string underscore out. In addition to that, there will be again 4 fields which I haven't actually made a slides for that, those fields, but actually there will be again, there 4 fields will be there, 3 or 4 fields will be there. And the most important thing is that you have to create this, you have to actually uh, use this URL. This is a JavaScript which is located at this link. So text will be sent to this particular link. There the conversion will happen, and the converted uh, text will be displayed in the VRML environment. So important thing is that when you want to send something over the internet at this particular location, and you want that the converted text should be displayed in your environment, you need internet. So for this string sensor, internet is a must. So there will be two routes. Now this particular route is actually, route is not valid, but I don't know, then also it is working. I don't know the reason, but this route will be valid. So we will be creating the string sensor. Go to the create advanced and then type string sensor. Here it is. Bring all the coordinates to 0 0 0. You can give the name to this string sensor also. Now this container field may not be retained. Now you create the group. Again bring that group to 0 0 0. So we have created the group, brought that group to 0 0, absolute 0 0 coordinates. Then we will be creating the box. Actually text will be displayed in front of the box, so it will work as a background. So you will feel that you are writing some text on the board. This will form, the box will form the board actually. Take the width as 15, height 2, and depth, it should be very thin, 0.01 will be perfect. We can change the color of the box also. Instead of black, I think you, if you take yellowish color, then there will be good contrast. Yellowish will be the perfect color. Bring this back somewhat, uh, bring this box somewhat backward. Then we will be creating the text node. Again bring this text node to 0 0 0. Bring it under group number 1. Give the appropriate coordinates. This will be the font. Here you can change the justification. 0.75 will be the appropriate size for the text. Now we will be creating the script. The script will be called as converter script. Actually it is converting the text. It is actually feeding the text to the JavaScript and then converting it and bringing it back to the VRML environment. It brings back the converted text into VRML environment, and for this you need internet. So first field will be sf string underscore mf string. Type will be sf string, and access will be everything input only. Access type will be input only. Second text will be mf string underscore out. And output only. Third field will be x, y, and z output. Called sf float x out. Then sf float underscore y out. Likewise, you have to create here. We want a float, actually floating value, sf float. Access type will be output only. Then there will be z sf float z out. So create the third and last field, sf float underscore z out. Then change the type to sf float. And access type will be output only. Then we will call this script as converter script. This will be the converter script. You delete everything, make it completely blank. So we will be giving the URL in this script through the notepad editing. Now again we will create a text node. And we will actually, there will be some warning or say hint to the first time user that what is to be done. That hint we will be giving through this text node. So it will display the static text in the VRML environment. You can write that what is important is that in this particular string sensor you should be connected to the internet. That is important. This string sensor is created by Dr. D.V. Shirbhate. That this I want to display. Please type text to test. Please connect your PC to internet. That is very important because conversion will take place only over the internet as JavaScript conversion is possible on internet only. Okay, and this conversion will take some time, so you have to wait for few seconds, say 4 5 or say 10 second, up to 10 second. It depends on the internet speed and conversion speed and the processing power of your computer or laptop. So initially you have to be patient. Once the conversion process starts, then there will not be any lag or delay. Okay, so this text will be displayed. You can fix the appropriate position of this text. So bring it below or above the board. Reduce the size and bring it below or above the board. That is important, because on the board actually we are going to write the text. And you can change the color of the board from say black to pale yellow, or you choose the font color and then you can choose the blackboard color. So for yellow color, actually it will properly work. Now we will be creating two routes. One route will be from string sensor to the converter. String sensor to the converter. Even if this route is not valid, but it is very much required, I don't know how that processing is taking place or how that mistake is rectified by the JavaScript, that I don't know. But for the first time I have seen that some invalid route is also working. In this particular example, invalid route is also working. So we have created two routes. So this has created enable underscore changed. That is not required. Actually, that will not work. Now important changes to be made to the code. The original code was not written using Vivity Studio, and therefore two important changes have to be made manually by editing code in Notepad. Copy and paste the URL in the script code section. This is the URL, actually required URL, and you have to copy and paste. So open the code in the notepad, you export the code, then open the code in the notepad and copy this URL. And in the root, actually root will be like this. So root will create the code like this. Instead of that, we want enable underscore change to be enter text. This is a required, and this is very important change that you have to make. So these two changes have to be made, and these two changes have to be made using the notepad. So these are the two important changes which needs to be made. Save the file. Actually, I have copied that particular change in the notepad. You just copy it and paste it at the end of the converter script. This is the end of the converter script. So I have pasted that URL, save the change. Then you can again open that code and you can make the change for the root. Actually, this is the required change which needs to be made. So enable change has have to be removed with enter text. You can save this. Then you can open, and now this there will be problem with the black background. Okay, now you write anything, you can use the backspace to delete the text. Deletion is allowed. So this is how the string sensor works. So it allows you to directly give the input, or it allows you to write something directly in the VRML environment. So this is how the VRML string sensor is working. VRML string sensor allows you to type something in the VRML environment. Using the backspace, you can delete. So thank you for watching this video, this demo. So I have created a number of combinations actually, where you can change the text color, then you can change the text font also. So a lot of permutation combinations can be there. You can change the background and all those things. So some certain codes are there. I have created certain codes, different type of codes, and you can download those codes and you can actually test those codes. So thanks for watching the video. In case of any query or clarification, feel free to contact me on my contact details. Thank you.